Hi, we're in Sweden. It's our first time here and we start our journey with Stockholm. In this video I will show you some highlights of this city. The old town takes this whole island in the center of Stockholm. If you want to eat in the old town, there are plenty of restaurants. I recommend you this one. It's not very pricey, friendly waiters, and very delicious local food. And now we're going to explore the famous Stockholm metro. They call this metro the longest underground art gallery. Each station has its own look, so it's worth going underground just to see it. Vasa is the name of the ship of 17th century. It was supposed to be the most powerful, the most beautiful, the biggest ship of its time. Just like Titanic, right? And just the same as Titanic, it ended up under the sea in its first journey. It was brought up in 20th century almost intact with a lot of artifacts and items, and now we can see them in this museum. This park is called a Royal Garden, but it's not only a park. There is a lot of fun stuff, like amusement park, museums, including Vasa Museum which I showed you, circus, zoo, and much more, so it's a really cool place. Sweden is known to be on the pricey side, so I was really surprised when I found this hotel which offers you everything you need for a very good price. Comfortable accommodation, fabulous breakfast, underground parking, and there is a metro station right next to the hotel. And it takes only 10 minutes to get to the city center by metro. And in case you need to buy anything, there is a shopping center on the ground floor of this hotel. I couldn't be more satisfied with my accommodation. It was a short visit to Stockholm. There is so much left for us to see. We are looking forward to coming back here.